Hello, my name is Kaylee Mobley, and I will be comparing Cigna and Humana insurance plans to determine which plan will best fit for myself and employees. The objective is to find the best insurance plan for the next year for all employees as well as myself. The focus will be to determine the best, most affordable insurance plan for our employees by doing numerical data research on insurance companies. As a manager, I want to make sure we choose the right insurance plan that will help us cover high, unpredicted costs. Monthly premiums. Cigna costs $277 per month for employees and $277 per month for employer. The total estimated cost per employees would be $555. Humana, starting at $285 per month per employees, as well as $285 per month for employer, coming down to a total of $570 monthly for employees and employers. Copays. A copayment is a fixed out-of-pocket amount paid for covered services. Insurance providers often charge copays for services like doctor visits or prescription drugs. Cigna has a copay of $50 with a $3 copay for prescriptions. Hospital, emergency room, and ambulances has a $400 copay. Humana has a copay of $60 with a $10 copay for prescriptions. Hospital, emergency room, and ambulances would be 20% coinsurance after the deductible is met. Mental health charges. Cigna has no charge on mental health visits as long as the deductible is met. Humana always has a copay, even if your deductible has been met. Numerical data comparing Cigna and Humana. Cigna costs monthly $277 with a $50 copay, $3,500 per person, and prescriptions would be a $3 copay. The emergency room hospital visits, $400 copay. Ambulance fee is $400. Mental health, there is no charge as long as the deductible is met. Humana starts out at $285 monthly, copay of $60. The deductible is $3,500 per person, $10 copay. Emergency room hospital visits would be 20% coinsurance after the deductible is met. Ambulance fee is 20% after the deductible, and mental health is always a $30 copay, even if the deductible is met. Cigna will be the insurance plan selected for next year for myself and employees. As the employer, I will pay half, as the employees will pay the other half, leaving the monthly bill at $277 a month for the both of us. Employees will have a large range of doctor networks to choose from. After the $3,500 deductible is met, there are no longer a charge for inpatient or hospital services, physician, and surgical services. There will be no charge for outpatient surgeries and outpatient facilities once the deductible is met. Compared to Humana, employees would always have a copay even if the deductible has been met. Thank you, and this includes my presentation on why I believe Cigna is the best choice for my practice facility, for myself and my employees.